is definitely a little scary in the fact of are we going to be able
Fuck
to
it
do
is.
that we're used to?
No, I can't do this. Fuck it.
What are you talking? Hey, fuck off. You said you're gonna do it now. Cut the shit.
Fuck you. I didn't
Bullshit.
get no smokes. No,
Yeah,
I can't do it.
it.
I can't do it. Fuck.
How can't
Let's
you
just
do it?
strip
You
the
already
fucking
do it.
thing.
See, I know you stripped it. I told you. Fuck. You agreed on it. Fuck off now. Start that halfway the job. Fuck you. Fucking bullshit. Come on now.
No, but I can't get the fucking.
Hey, well, use the fucking vice grips. Get it out.
Fucking ass.
You're the one stripping the thing. I told you you're gonna strip the bit. Dumbass. Come on, come on.
Just wouldn't happen.
Stupid fuck.
Takes up a quarter of her home and includes over 200 cans of soup, a 2-year supply of cat treats, and 80
What are you doing now?
enough to serve 656 bowls.
When the came out last time, we started off with 32 bucks.
Come on, Joel. Fuck, man. Fuck. There you go. I told you.
Oh, shut up. My vice grip, sorry. Come on.
Don't strip the bit.
Reverse. Oh, that's a fucking laugh. Look at that. Put a fucking mark right into the thing.
What the fuck you
For fuck's sake. It's not funny, fuck.
You fucking... Oh, she's gonna be fucking
Say
pissed.
it, you.
I got it on fucking film. Fuck you. I knew I should film you, you stupid fuck.
Yeah, well, I help you. Where the fuck did the thing go? The bit's gone.
I knew you were gonna fuck it up.
Fuck off. Yeah, you just want to fucking get a great laugh, eh? For fuck's sake.
She got a nice new fucking drawer now, a nice place to put shit, and you fucking scuffed it already. What are you doing now?
Trying to put it in with my hand, fuck. Fuck, I'll be here forever going that way.
Yeah, at least you're not scuffing shit up, though. Is it bad?
Oh, fuck. Hey, don't get up, look, fuck.
Oh. That's fucking bad,
I
man.
know, I'm fucking laughing, for fuck's sake.
That's not good.
Let's decide it goes against the wall then. I haven't got the right tools for fucking around with this. Fuck. Fuck, is it ever going in? Oh, fuck. Is it not going in? Ah, come on. Fuck off. Fuck, the other ones went in. Fuck, how come these ones not? You enjoying yourself? One more fucking shot. Fuck off. Fuck. Got that one in. Still got I thought that was the last two. No, I got the other two at the other end. Fuck. This is one of the fucked up ones, I suppose. Oh, shoot. Don't look too bad, eh? Oh, anyway.